Hello friend, welcome to ETP Solution. Today I will unbox the Orientel KX-T777 telephone. Let's go through some specification of this phone. It has the high-low ringer switch, mute button, ringer LED indication. Mute button is very useful in case of office use. So let's unbox the phone. The phone has very antique design. Phone is very well furnished. Look like a Maharaja phone. This is the user manual. This is the LED indication which I was speaking at the start of the video. Thank you for making me part of India. For more tech videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.